start.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Sumit Kumar along with Mansoor, Ranu, Pavan and Arani. Today we are here to present our project that is Redbus. This project built in React.js, Express and MongoDB. Before I start, I would like to thank Masai and its instructor for giving this opportunity. Before coming to our project, Redbus is an online bus booking services present all over India. Now coming to our project. This is our landing page. Here we have navbar contains bus ticket, ARPUL, bus hire, manage booking, and user login section. If user visit first time on the website, then he has to click on sign up. After clicked, they will go on authentication page and choose a valid user ID. After authentication done, user redirect on home page. After that, user can fill arrival, destination, and date, and click on search buses. Without filling arrival destination, user not able to search buses. Now Rani will take you further.
Thank you, Sumit. So after filling the correct destination and pickup details and providing the date, while clicking on search buses button, user will be redirected to the available bus page. In the right hand side, user can see all the filters available and he can filter all the options according. And then in the right side, all the buses are present. After selecting the bus and clicking on view seats, user can see all the seats that are present in bus and can select the seat according to their choice. Now user can click on proceed to book button and can fill all the passenger and contact details. After filling the details, when user clicks on buy ticket button, then user can see a pop-up and go to the home page now. From now, Ranu will explain.
Thank you, Rani. Go to the ARPUL page. ARPUL is a feature coming to our website where users can share ride with pool, an option, smart option for handling all the travel needs by connecting you with fellow professional riders. If user wants to download the Android app for Redbus, just clicking on Google Play button, it redirect to Google Play and download the Redbus app. If user want to download iOS version, just clicking by App Store button. Now go to bus hire page. In bus hire, if user wants to book a vehicle type on the basis of vehicle, if he need buses, just by clicking on bus, he redirected to all the buses listed on the website. If you want to hire a vehicle, just clicking on hire a vehicle button, redirected to click on all the buses on the bus hire page. Now next part is explained by Mansoor. Over to Mansoor.
Thank you, Ranu. As you can see, this is the journey type. Here, three type of journeys there. If the user want to book a vehicle, then he need to choose any of them. And if the user want to go to the outside of his city, then he need to click to outstation button. After that, he need to fill the pickup address and destination address and the time also. And after that, user need to put the passenger number of passenger. According to the number of passenger, the vehicle will come. So for now, I just put the 2 and proceed it. And after that, I just fill the contact details also. And the number. After clicking the view vehicles, it will show you the available vehicles. After select one of these vehicles, it will redirect to the vehicle details. And here you can see this is the details of the vehicle. From here, Pavan will take over. Over to you, Pavan.
Yeah, thank you, Mansoor. If here user wants to book a vehicle, just click on book for button. It will redirect to payment page. Here we have user, you have a different options like credit card, debit card, net banking. And If you want to pay money, just click on pay now button. It will redirect to confirmation page. Here ticket is confirmed and user got reference ID. So these all about total working functionalities of our project. Thank you for giving this opportunity to making this presentation. Now open for questions and as well as your feedback. Thank you.